He's gonna go and get some breakfast, not have some breakfast.
I can eat some breakfast.
Just have some breakfast without me. Good morning. It's almost 9 o'clock. And welcome to Vlune. Goodness, where did the year go? At the moment, all our beddings and stuff are in here because
you're having a slumber party.
No, I kicked him out and he's gonna sleep here.
Yeah.
And even our stuff is moved. It's because we're gonna we asked somebody to come and wash our AC. And we need to clear out whatever that is under, or else they're gonna have a very hard time working through our stuff. And even the under the bed is cleared because we're gonna fold it. And right now the walk-in closet has totally become a storage area for us.
Oh God, don't show our mess.
So he's gonna fold the bed.
Yeah, it's been at least 5 years since we last folded this thing.
Yeah, the bed it was actually sofa bed. You can fold it.
Here you go.
It's from IKEA. So this is actually the amount of space that we could have worked with if we fold the bed every day.
Yeah.
Which we did when we were living in Tokyo, yeah.
I should vacuum the floor content. Can we get more light?
Okay. He's gonna go and get some breakfast, not have some breakfast.
I can eat some breakfast.
Just have some breakfast without me.
You want coffee too?
I think we still have coffee in the fridge.
Can you double check, please?
Yeah. Time to eat breakfast. It looks like our house, like we're cleared out. But when you look at this side, that's somebody else's house. There's two houses in this apartment. If both of them are clean. Look at how black the water is. Almost 2 hours, but it's actually a lot faster. Like the one inside took longer. It was an hour. This one only half an hour and then they were done with it. And in the end, both AC was deep cleaned. So yeah, now we have clean AC for the summer.
Yes.
Now we have to put everything back.
Okay. Well, a little bit of
yeah, we need to clean the floors and stuff first.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I'm removing the blue cap.
Yeah, that looks good. We're taking the opportunity to clean everything. I just cleaned one side of the window and it's filthy as hell. That's like 5 years worth of dust in it.
The prettiest window cleaner ever.
It's so dirty. Look at the. Can you see the claw?
Oh yeah. What's got I love?
Food break. Hungry. It's already 1 o'clock. Thinking if we should actually just head out, get materials that we need, like sponges and stuff,
Actually yes, we need a new sponge.
and then come back and continue.
So I'm recording like this because actually it's bike mounted. And that's why it's tilted. Sorry guys. Pretty good day today. Yeah.
I guess this is not a pop-up shop anymore. It's been here for a while. We're in Ocean and Terra. They have rebranded, so we're gonna try their new food. Ta-da!
Yeah. Oh wow, that's huge.
That's a lot. Is that tea? He ordered the same.
But I have soup and coffee.
Yeah. Itadakimasu. We're in this buy and sell again. What do you see? Nike.
Don't know. Barbershop.
Oh.
You know, I thought it was a Naruto with the swirls or like
Oh yeah, it does
One
look
Piece,
like,
right? But
it's not. Fake ones. Yeah, they have the kids desk again. Oh, they even have pots and pans.
IH usable and heat. What the hell? Really?
So cheap.
Fire okay, IH okay.
Sige.
Sugoicho.
They're stepping up their game.
I should ask to get new pants.
We're gonna head to Seria. Seria. We found our boy. There's a lot of them.
Oh, this is cool. I like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, this
They
is
have
nice.
a lot of like different stickers here. This corner makes our inner teacher heart vibrates. I don't know how to describe this, but like for summer course we always have like these, so it's nice.
This is cool. I like this one. This is for the shaved ice sign.
Yeah.
So when you guys come here during the summer, guys, and you want to cool down, look for a shop that has this. They sell the shaved ice.
Yeah, just like recognize this kanji. Yeah. As always,
Pizza man.
rental girlfriend.
Oh, rental girl. Yes, best girl.
Meet the ring.
Why?
Odin ring.
Why? Ring, ring, ring.
The Korean boy band keychain. Oh, this is cool. I actually want to get one.
Last one.
Bio gacha. Floppy dog. We're in Tsutaya bookstore. And they sell like kids' toys. And a lot of baby stuff too. Pretty cute.
Put it on the fridge, right?
No, you just need to run it under yeah, bye. Go, man. Cold water.
Oh. You guys want to know what erasing life smells like? Get this.
This is a famous brand in Japan for erasers. So funny.
Oh, tester. What is this?
Hand cream. Shaka 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 shaka.
That's cool. It has the sound effects too on the side. Bugo 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 bugo.
The bread thief.
The bread thief.
Itadakimasu. Mazui. Still cracks me up. Gonna get some bread and then head back. City Bakery. Pretty good variety of choices.
Highly recommended. Biking on the way back.
And drop by the pharmacy.
Which pharmacy?
Here.
Oh, okay.
Daiko.
Okay, we're at the pharmacy. Going in.
深いですね.
You don't have black though.
Yeah, no.
If you ain't black, it's whack.
Looking for cleaning stuff. Ta-da! This is for cleaning the sink. And we need sponge. That's it, I think.
Right, that's
It's nice.
There's a car behind.
I know. We got these. Gonna drink. Really good. Highly recommend it. We're just biking around without any destination. Procrastinating. Don't want to deal with the mess at home.
We're escaping responsibility.
Is this a rice field?
Probably.
We found the park and gonna eat our afternoon tea. Bacon cornbread. Back to this mess of a house. We will put everything back to its original place. Let's go. So over the 1 month absent, we also bought a bed vacuum. It's supposed to blow warm wind that will kill the bug. What mites? That's dust mites, and also UV the bed. Don't look. It's bad for your eyes.
I just need it to see if it's actually UV.
It is. Like, as long as the blue light is on, then it's on.
Don't you have to hold it for like a few seconds to kill bacteria?
That's why you need to run it over multiple times. Slowly pulling everything out of the bathroom. Regret it when we go to Canada. We have our hostage. They're slowly going back. This is our new arrangement, and everything is cleaned.
Yep.
My goodness.
Look at that.
So I did the powder here.
Somebody vomited there or something.
Added like a little bit of water so that it cleans out everything. I took a shower already, so he's gonna go to Konbini to get some food. Because most likely we're not gonna eat a lot, so we just need veggie and a little bit of meat for the cup noodle that we're gonna eat.
I'm gonna get a jumbo yakisoba.
Really? We have a lot of cup noodles here though.
Yakisoba.
Alright.
Okay, and I'm supposed to be getting dinner, but all I can sort. Which ice cream should I get? Yatta! I got the dinner. Time to head back. Ooh.
So I'm loading my cup noodle. Apparently he bought bento.
It's okonomiyaki with yakisoba.
So big.
Well, got a big appetite at the moment. You only ate a sandwich for the whole day, did you know that? Yeah.
We have nikuman too.
Still.
And he also got me fami chicken and bokhan.
I got halal.
My lady. Oh, missed the title.